Do you see this color? I am here for this color this summer. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those who don't know me and for this video, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre Wig. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents on whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. So before we get into the video or the specs about it, I just want to say a big fat thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this wig to review for you guys. If you get a chance, go ahead and check out Sam's Beauty for all things wigs and all things hair products. Again, thank you for Sam's Beauty for sending me over this wig to review for my audience. The wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the style Sonya. I have Sonya in the color Sienna Copper. Sonya is a crimp wave style. She has aged transparent lace. She does have 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Sonya does come with natural baby hairs. For me, I'll say Sonya is a 24 inches ish. So the pros about Sonya, honey, do you see this color? Do you see this color? I am here for this color this summer. I am here for it. It's a great summer wig. It's a great fall wig. A great everyday wig. I'm here for it. It is beginner friendly. It is beginner friendly, surprisingly. I don't like long hair, but this wig is so beginner friendly. It's put it and go. Honey, I might just reach for it when I'm going, you know, to a doctor's appointment or to Walmart when my hair is not looking the best. Because this is so easy to put on and go. When I tell you easy, you cut the lace off and plop it on your head and honey, you are out the door. Easy peasy. So I love this unit for that. She does have flyaways. I think I cut too much of the lace off, so it is doing some shedding. She doesn't tangle, just the shedding and some flyaways. That's about it. That's wrong with Sonya. So, oh, she gonna embarrass me on camera. No, she ain't got no tangles. So with that being said, what would I rate Sonya? I would rate Sonya a 8.5, only because I don't like long hair. So if Sonya was like right here, oh, she get a 10 for sure. She get a 10. Long hair is hot, so I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know, because it's hot where I am. So, and one way you could accessorize Sonya, you could put on your Smokey the hat, and yeah, ready for the summer. So with that being said, if you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.